Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam authentication fail, right? You will get an error that says Steam Auth Failed. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can fix these things. Now, there are a few things you can quickly do, guys. Now, and I want to recommend the first thing is to quickly end task for Steam application itself. So you want to go ahead and simply right click on your Windows key in your taskbar. And from here, you want to go to Task Manager. Now, once the Task Manager, don't close or end the task from the Steam processes here. What you want to do is just simply go down to details section and you want to scroll down and look for Steam. So you want to go ahead and look for Steam in the list. You'll find the steam.exe file right here. You click on that and you can either right click on it and end the task, or you can just simply click on it and end the task from the uppermost right hand side. You want to go ahead and end the task directly from here. Now, after you do that, go ahead and open up Steam again and see if that actually helps. If this doesn't help, I want to recommend that you restart your computer. So try to restart your computer and see if that actually helps the problem. Now, if this does not help, now, as another step, what you can do is for that game that you're currently having a problem with, what you want to do is just go to your library on the uppermost left hand side, find that game. Let's say this is the game that I have installed on my computer. I don't have any of these games installed, but you get the idea what I'm going to say to you. You want to right click on the game and you want to go to properties. Now from here, you'll have an option that says installed files. Now, once you click on install files from that list, you'll have the option there that says, it will say verify integrity of game files. So you want to click on that and see if that actually helps the problem. If this doesn't help, guys, I want to recommend that you reinstall the game. So I would say uninstall a game from your computer. Normally how you uninstall it is just go to your install applications on your PC and you'll be able to find those applications on your install applications here. So you can just simply go to install apps and search for that game and go ahead and uninstall it. If you want to uninstall the game, go ahead, restart your PC, come back again and install the games and see if that actually solves the problem for you. And as a last resort, if you're still facing issue with this, I want to recommend that you totally uninstall the Steam application from your PC as well. Go to the Steam website, get the latest version of Steam app, and try to install Steam again. Sign in with your account and see if that helps the problem. I hope one of these solutions really help you to fix the problem, guys. And if do, wish you all the best. Enjoy your game. And if not, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video, guys.